name is Anshul Verma and I am working in Attitude Terry Academy. Today we are going to discuss something about the purpose of to learn spoken English. As you all know that everybody wants to learn English, because you know that some people know something about English but they are not capable of speaking in English. This is not their inability, actually they have some hesitation to speak in English. But today we are going to discuss about the motive to learn spoken English, that what is the purpose to learn English? Why do we want to learn English? First, I am coming with the global language. As we all know that nowadays English is an international language. If you want to travel to abroad, if you are not able to communicate in your mother tongue, there is one language which will connect you to other people, that is English. If you know English, you can easily communicate with others. Secondly, for the job purpose. As we know that wherever we go nowadays, English is required in every field. Whether you want to go in the Bollywood, whether you want to go in Hollywood, or you want to work in some MNC, everywhere English is required. For job purpose, we must know how to communicate to another person in English. Next is, if you like traveling. For example, I want to travel abroad. I want to go Thailand, I want to go USA, I want to go UK, I want to go France, I want to go Italy. Which language will connect me to other? That is only English language. So I think that for English is much beneficial for you if you want to communicate. Next is, if you want to work abroad. That there are many persons who want to work in abroad, some people who want to get education from abroad. So they people will not teach you in your mother language or in your local language. Which language will connect you? That is only English language. So there are many purposes to learn spoken English. So I think that you must learn English speaking at Attitude Terry Academy. Thank you very much.